Understanding Video Lectures, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore the fascinating world of video lectures. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just curious, understanding what video lectures are and how they can benefit your English learning journey is crucial. Let's dive in. Video lectures are a modern form of education where lessons are delivered through video format. Unlike traditional classroom settings, video lectures allow you to learn at your own pace, anytime, anywhere. They often include visuals, such as slides or animations, and are sometimes interactive, offering quizzes or exercises. This format is especially beneficial for English language learners as it combines auditory and visual learning. One of the key benefits of video lectures for English learners is the flexibility they offer. You can pause, rewind, and rewatch segments to fully understand the material. Additionally, video lectures often come with subtitles or closed captions, which are great tools for improving your listening and reading skills in English. They also expose you to various accents and dialects, enhancing your comprehension abilities. To get the most out of video lectures, active engagement is essential. Take notes, repeat phrases, and practice speaking along with the video. Try to summarize what you've learned in your own words. Also, don't hesitate to use the pause and rewind buttons to ensure you fully grasp the content. Engaging with additional resources or discussion forums related to the lecture can further enhance your learning. We hope this video has shed light on the concept of video lectures and how they can be a valuable tool in your English learning journey. Remember, the key is to stay curious and engaged. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.